I've been writing like Lynch for 4 days now, and I love it. I love going back to my pantser roots and using these notebooks. And there is something to be said about pantsing, and there is something to be said about writing backwards. And what I love most about these notebooks is that they make writing backwards so much easier than on the computer. I'm going to show you what I mean. I've been writing backwards for years, and I've been doing it on the computer, but I find writing in the notebook so much better for writing backwards, because I can start at the bottom of the page and just work my way up. So I'm going to flesh out this description later. I'm not really worried about that right now. I'm just worried about writing the story. But now I need to get her from where I left off yesterday, which is there's a lot worse things that can happen to me. I need to get her from saying that to when this happens. And I don't want it to happen straight away before this is going to arrive upstairs. Daylight, sunlight, so I can walk Scylla through. One scene written in one page on my notebook. Now I'm going to try writing like Stephen King. Come back tomorrow and you can see that video. In the meantime, if you want to know what it means to write like Lynch, check out this video here.